In this video, we want to solve for t. Given t times t times t times t divided by t plus t plus t plus t is equal to 80 divided by 5. We have t times t times t times t divided by t plus t plus t plus t is equal to 80 divided by 5. We'll start from the right hand side. 5 here is 1, 5 in 80 is 16. And then proceeding to the left hand side, all of these together by law of indices will give us t raised to power 4. And all of this together by addition will give us 4 times t. Now that is equal to 16. T raised to power 4 here is same thing as saying t raised to power 3 times t, then divided by 40 is equal to 16. So that we can divide this t and this t to then give us t raised to power 3 divided by 4 is equal to 16. Let us cross multiply. So we're going to have t raised to power 3 times 1 is equal to 4 times 16. This will give us t raised to power 3 is equal to 4 times 16. Here will give us 64. And then if we bring 64 to the left hand side, we have t raised to power 3 minus 64 is equal to 0. 64 here we can also express as 4 raised to power 3 and express our equation as t raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. This then gives us difference of 2 cubes, which by identity, given a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 would give us a minus b into brackets a squared plus a times b plus b squared by factorization. So this equation becomes t minus 4 into bracket t squared plus 4 times t plus 4 squared then equal to 0. We'll have t minus 4 times t squared plus 4t plus 4 squared here will give us 16, then equals to 0. This would then imply that either t minus 4 is equal to 0 or t squared plus 4 times t plus 16 is equal to 0. The first situation here is a linear equation, and from there we can solve for t to give us 4. This will be t1, and then it will be our first solution to this problem. Then we'll proceed to the second equation, which is a quadratic equation, to get 2 more values of t. We arrived at t squared plus 4 times t plus 16 is equal to 0. To solve for t here, let us first compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, so that we can get value for a, which will be 1, value for b, which will be 4, and value for c, which will be 16. Then applying the general quadratic formula, which will be x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac then divided by 2a. We'll be able to solve for t by now substituting these parameters to get minus b, which is 4, plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 times a here is 1 and c here is 16, square root of that, then divided by 2 times a is 1. We get t is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16, then minus 4, because 4 times 1 is 4, so we say 4 times 16 here. Then divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. This will give us t is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of, we can see that 16 is common to both expressions, so we factorize 16 into 1 minus 4, square root of that, then divided by 2. This will give us t is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 times negative 3, then divided by 2. Let us separate the radical to give us minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 here times square root of negative 3 here, then divided by 2. This will give us t is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 here will give us 4. Now, square root of minus 3 is the same thing as saying square root of 3 times minus 1. And then that will give us square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. So that we have 4 root 3. And then square root of minus 1 is I. So we have 4 root 3i, then divided by 2. We can separate this division to give us negative 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 4i root 3 divided by 2. 2 here is 1, 2 in 4 is 2, 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2, and t becomes negative 2 plus or minus 2i root 3, giving us t is equal to minus 2 plus 2i root 3, and t is also equal to minus 2 minus 2i root 3. Since we already have a value for t1, so we are going to call this t2 and call this t3. So giving us all possible solutions to this problem, with this being complex solutions or complex roots, and we got a value for t1 earlier, which was 4. So t1 is equal to 4, which is the only real root to this problem. We can do a quick check with this value of t to confirm that our solution is correct. We were given t times t times t times t divided by t plus t plus t plus t is equal to 80 divided by 5. And now we got t is equal to 4. So we have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, divided by 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 to give us 8t divided by 5. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 would give us, we know that 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So 64 times 4 divided by 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16 to give us 80 divided by 5. 4 here is 1, 4 in 16 is 4, and then 4 here is 1, 4 in 64 is 16, and 5 here is 1, 5 in 80 is also 16. Therefore, the left-hand side, which is 16, is equal to the right-hand side, which is 16. And since the left-hand side balances the right-hand side, it confirms that this solution is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.